With a smartphone in my pocket, 4 cold emails, I closed 1 new client where I'm creating social media content with just my smartphone, and this client is paying me $5,424 each and every year. The way and how I did that, I will show you exactly in this video, and just so that you know, we will be launching a new program called Smartphone Agency where we show you in depth, step by step, how you can do the exact same thing. We will be launching that tomorrow in a live webinar. In case you want to join that, in case you want to make 2024 your most successful year ever, make sure to click the first link below that like button. Today I have a great case study for you that shows you the power of the Smartphone Agency and how much you can make with just a few simple tools and structures that we obviously provide you inside of the Smartphone Agency, which will be launched tomorrow. Check out the link below. So before I share with you exactly how all of this came together, I need to share a thing with you. I am an introvert. I absolutely hate cold calling, and I even more hate reaching out in person, and therefore I'm also not the best in doing that. Yet in 2024, we managed to make multiple 6 figures with our agency without a single cold call. And how exactly we made that step by step is obviously what we teach inside of the Smartphone Agency. All right, so how much effort was it to land that one client that paid $5,424 per year, and how did we make that if cold calling isn't the way to go, at least for me personally? Well, believe it or not, we made that with just a simple cold email. Especially for this course, we refined our outreach strategy and our messages, and I had a conversion rate of a whopping 25%, which is just absolutely wild. It only took me 4 cold emails to land a new client, and this is absolutely wild and insane, and this is not the norm, and this is not what you can expect. But the fact that this strategy is working this well just opens up tons of opportunities. And by the way, this case study is not something that happened like 3 years ago and I'm just bragging about it. This literally happened in December of 2023. The key thing with my mails was that I researched really well to what kind of business that I was reaching out in the first place. I also built a connection to that business owner that made me stand out, as I did not want to sell them anything immediately, and I was crystal clear on what I offered them and also what I wanted back in return. And in this mail, just at the very bottom of my outreach, I also provided my phone number so that the business owner could call me, as this kind of outreach that I'm doing and that we're teaching is not the norm. And out of those 4 emails that I sent, I got 2 phone calls and also 2 meetings, and I closed 1 of them. And in that first meeting, I was providing lots of value as I gave them feedback on what they were doing already, and I also shot some photos and videos right there at the first day when we met together. And in the end, I got 1 new client paying those $5,424 per year. And to be honest, this would have been 2 new clients, but one of them, when I went there, they were just reconstructing their shop, so I couldn't film there, and this was just postponed to 2024. But a conversion rate of 25% still is insane anyways. And if you want to get the exact outreach messages, our presets, our workbook with everything that you need to keep track of your outreach efforts, then make sure to join our webinar tomorrow. The link to the webinar will be down below. I'm super excited for all of this. Let's make 2024 your most successful year ever. I'll see you tomorrow.